Guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright, so if you're new in this channel, you are most certainly welcome. Okay, so are you actually suffering because of your skin is actually not glowing? Your skin is not speaking from afar. Your skin is having wrinkles, dark spot, pimples, pigmentation, and your skin is not evenly toned. Well, lament no more, baby. Alright, so because you are at your bus stop, yeah, because I'm going to be showing you a natural home remedy that would get rid of all of that, and your skin is gonna glow. Okay, so if you want to know what it is, do continue watching and watch till the end. Thumbs up this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share the video. Turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Alright, drop your questions at my website. Okay, let's dive into this video. Alright guys, for a skin repair and to get rid of large and open pores, we're going to be making use of potato, because potato helps to close up large and open pores, and it also helps to remove pigments on the skin, and it leaves the skin glowing and youthful. Now to prepare this, guys, we're going to first of all peel off the potato, cooking it. So I'm gonna go transfer this into a pot and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here we are in the kitchen, and what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to pour in all of the potato, and then I'm gonna boil it for it to be very soft, okay, so we can have the starch. Then I'm gonna peel it and pour it into the blender, and pour in the water also, and then blend it very well so it can be very smooth. Alright, so here is the boiled and blended potato. Alright, so we're going to also be needing a fresh raw rice. Alright, rice on the skin is a remedy that helps to control excessive oil, therefore closing up the large and open pores, and it also repairs the skin. Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing the same thing to the rice. Okay, so I'm going to be putting in just a little quantity of rice into this pot, and then I pour in enough water so it could make it very soft. So I'm going to be boiling for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, just so your rice could be very soft. Okay, now after that is done, I'm going to be pouring it plus the rice water into my bullet blender and blend it very well. Now why I'm doing this is so I could get all of the starch. And here I have the boiled and blended rice, looking really white and nice. Okay, so I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of that too, and then we're going to also be making use of yogurt. We're going to be needing the pure undiluted and thick unsweetened yogurt, because yogurt contains a lactic acid that helps to repair the skin, so it's going to be very helpful in removing a large and open pores. Also be taking in 1 tablespoon of yogurt. And to move further, we're going to be needing banana. Alright, so my banana is super duper ripe, and the skin is not even friendly at all to look at, so I had to peel it up, and we're going to be needing banana. Now banana helps to retain moisture onto the skin, and it also helps to leave the skin youthful, radiant and glowing. Now we're just going to be mashing this banana. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting it into pieces, then small, so it can enable me mash it. This one is way better. One tablespoon, and that is all into this treatment. Then we're going to be mixing the ingredients together. Alright guys, so here is the treatment. I hope it doesn't fall off. Can you see that? Yup. Okay. Oh my god, it smells like heaven. Okay, and it's just how you're gonna apply it onto your face, and it's so super cooling, so super cool, man. I'm just gonna be applying it everywhere. Alright, so after you've applied this generously onto your face, then you can just leave it on for some minutes. This is not going to dry even if you leave it for so long. It's not like going to dry, because obviously the yogurt is not going to make it dry. Okay, so, and also the banana too is not going to make it dry. So you just hold it on your skin for like some minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and then you just go wash it off. This is going to repair your skin like crazy, trust me. All right, okay, so I'm gonna be waiting for that time, and I'm going to go wash it off, and let's go. So you're just gonna pour water, and it's just gonna be coming down like that. Okay. Alright guys, so for this treatment you can actually apply it onto your face at your preference. Okay, you can do it once in a week, twice in a week, or 3 times in a week. Okay, but it's not something you have to use every day. But even if you want to use it every day, you can also use it, and it's very friendly. You have to put it in the refrigerator. Repair those damaged skin, close up those large and ugly looking pores, have your skin flawlessly smooth with this remedy. Try it. You are not going to be regretting it though, like I am telling you now. Okay, so that's it. If you did love the video, thumbs up the video, subscribe, and please share the video. Also turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified, okay, when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me questions, drop them on my website. Alright, I'll see you soon in my next video, and stay flawless. Bye guys.